Stella, say hi. Where are we? You guys, we are at the airport. Baby's actually in the checkout line right now. And it's going to be a long day with just me and Ty heading to Jamaica. So we're at the airport right now, and our route will be Nice to Germany. Germany is 30 months will be, so that's not bad. But when we're coming back, then we'll have one additional connecting. We'll be going Montego Bay to New York, New York to Germany, Germany to Nice. But let's see how this leg of the journey will go. It's just after 4 a.m. Tyler is whiny, he's hungry, he wants to sleep, he wants everything under the sun. But let's see how today is gonna pan out with just me and him. Yeah, but we're here. What do you want? You want to sleep? Oh, I know. You're gonna sleep in the plane, okay? Okay? He want to hug, he want to kiss, he want to sleep, he want to eat. It's going to be a long day, y'all. Just pray for me on this journey. But anyway, you guys, the journey to Jamaica has begun, and I don't know if I'm looking forward to this trip, but let's see how it goes. Tell the face bye. Bye. See you guys later. Mama. Tell Papa bye bye, Papa. Say see you soon. Papa is going back home, and you and Mama going on the plane.
Okay. You give Papa a hug.
He's not happy about that at all. So is Mama. He said, where's Papa going? I won't cry. I'll see you in 8 days. What's that over there?
Plane.
There's a plane?
Yes.
Yeah. You guys, we have gone through check-in and on the bus heading to the plane because the plane is not close enough to the airport. So we're on our way. We're on our way. You excited to see Mama?
Yes.
Mommy?
Yes.
And Auntie Shania?
Yes.
Lily?
Yes.
Yes.
Don't look at me.
And Uncle Fenner, are you excited to go on the plane?
Yes.
He's so excited to go on the plane, you guys. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Of course, you know I have to give you guys a little pep talk. Make sure you guys stay positive and just have a good day and enjoy today's vlog. And if it's your first time to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and just keep up with us. Jamaica, we're coming. And Tyler is super excited, as you guys can see. Huh?
What's that?
What's that?
That's
That's a small crane.
Look at that.
And then pull the belt tight. Just before you leave the aircraft, pull the red tab to make the best.
Look in the camera.
If you leave the aircraft, would finally the signal lamp light up automatically in contact with the water.
Yes.
What time is it?
What number is it?
Bitte werfen Sie noch einen Blick in die Informationskarte mit allen Sicherheitshinweisen, die sich in Ihrer Sitztasche befindet. Im Falle einer Notlandung könnten Sie aufgefordert werden, eine Schutzhaltung einzunehmen. Diese Haltung ist auch mit Sicherheitshinweisen abgebildet. Prägen Sie sich besonders die Lage der Notausgänge ein. Sie sind mit dem Wort Exit gekennzeichnet und Leuchtstreifen im Boden zeigen Ihnen den Weg dorthin. Bitte beachten Sie außerdem, dass sich der nächste
gonna go in? You name which one we're going to go in? We're going in that one. Look. Flight 1 down and we are in Germany. Tyler, say hi, Faves.
Hi.
You slept the entire flight from home? You slept all the way from Nice? Tyler sleep in the plane all the way from Nice until we land. I had to wake him up. So now flight 2 from Germany to Montego Bay.
Eating on the plane.
Yeah, we're waiting on the plane.
No, we're eating on the plane.
Oh, we're eating in the plane. Where are we? Ty! Talk to the Faves, the camera is on.
It's KFC.
Tell us how we can't KFC. We are in Jamaica! You guys, we finally reached. We are here and my dad come to pick me up. My sister is already hiding from the camera. This is my little sister right here. Well, she's not little sister anymore. She's big sister because she's bigger than me. And that's my daddy driving and my daddy wifey around the front here. So you guys met Alyssa last year. Cassie wasn't in the vlog last year. No, but they know Alyssa. In one of the vlogs last year, so they know her. Anyway, you guys, we are in Montego Bay right now. Yes, Tyler?
You're a big girl.
I'm a big girl? Yes, I am a big girl and you're a big boy. We're in Montego Bay and you guys know that I'm already hunting for Patty. My dad is carrying me to get Patty right now. And then along the way to St. Elizabeth, which I'm going to my mom where she's staying at some of my other family. I'm going to just buy everything on the road. I want Guinea, I want East Indian. I am just taking advantage of everything that I see as early as I reach. So I am in Montego Bay right now, heading to our final destination in St. Elizabeth. So, and the purchase has begun. Tyler, do you know what this is? Tyler not going to like Guinea, but who knows? Tyler love everything. This, guys, is Guinea. If you guys watch it and you're not Jamaican, you guys will have a clue what this is. Summertime in Jamaica, this run things, and you guys gonna hear my patois a lot during these vlogs, so you guys won't need any patois Jamaican expression because the patois will be out. Yes, Guinea, start it up. Thanks. Listen, if this thing fall on your clothes, that's it. So don't let it fall on your clothes when you're eating Guinea. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna go buy my Guinea right now. Tyler, you want some? You guys, I'm a tasty party. Now we're home. That's my little big sister. I'm trying to catch her on camera because she's hiding. Oh my god. Watch her hide. And you bite it when you close your eyes, now you know, say. But I eat this every day. So when I get it, cherish it. Wait, it's hot. Oh, Jesus. We need to send Papa a picture. Guys, we are here finally. And look what is going on in this yard. Tyler is getting introduced to a goat by my mom. Ty, did you touch the goat? Look, see Travis touching the goat. Go touch the goat. Go on.
Touch it, Tyler.
Touch him, Ty. Touch him. Tyler, touch him. Come, let me help you. Come.
You can touch it. You can touch it.
See?
Touch it. Nice, you see?
Touch him again, Ty. One more time.
Pet him like that.
That's your belly.
Yeah, in belly. That's in belly.
Watch Jammies. touch a goat?
Travis have goat here in his head.
In his head?
Yes.
Here.
Yes, another one.
Leave the guy alone, Papa.
Travis, a real countryman, you know. Dog, you know, no. Finally, I come back from
Finally making them.
Mad people. So, guys, these are, what should I say, my biggest, one of my biggest cousin. I love my little cousin. But he's still a big cousin. Boston crew, and that's mommy. Oh my god. And these are all cousins. Cousins. Oh my gosh. So many cousins. And you guys know my niece.
Yeah, he finished the other one.
This is Jermaine's son. And Tyler's getting used to goats and animals. Yes. Don't go close to the dog.
The dog. Yes, the dog.
Tyler, you're afraid of the dog? Oh my gosh. You guys, after such long travel, we finally arrived. Yes, baby? Yeah. So we're in St. Elizabeth right now. We are in deep rural St. Elizabeth where most of all the family is gonna be here, and it's just so much going on. So much families here already. It's the energy is just so amazing to have all the family around, and of course these two is just loving on each other. Mom is here, my aunties are here, cousins are here. Yeah.
Don't bite me.
The dog not gonna bite you if you go close to if you don't go close to the dog. Okay, don't go close to the dog. You have to walk far away from the dog. Okay?
Near him ball, he's going.
Come. You don't go there. Come here. Walk over here. Yes.
You want to hug?
Where you wanna go?
Right here.
Okay, so go. Just don't go close to the dog. Walk far from the dog. That's okay. Get up. Get up. What you gonna make? Soup?
Soup.
When? For when?
Tonight.
Okay, where you going? Cook outside?
Talk so cook tonight.
Yes! Vlog is lit. So fire is gonna make here, and big pot of soup is gonna make see my mom's stripping chicken foot. Yes, baby? Can coop down here. My uncles have lots of dogs surrounding his house. So if you look around the house, you see small little dog houses. 1, 2, and there's lots around there. And there's a chicken coop right here. Chicken! You see chicken? What did he say? You see chicken style? So we're here, you guys, and where I am, throughout the vlogs you guys might hear different type of accents and different type of patois. That's because where we are in the country, different parts of the country have different accents for different patois. So you guys going to enjoy these Jamaica vlogs. Day 1 is going good. He's okay, Kaylin. He's okay for now, okay. Jamaica, day 1 is going good. We reached safely, and that's amazing. Give thanks. I just saw Tyler, look at this little baby cat. Tyler, look. Look at these little baby cats. One there and one here. Ty, you and Travis go get the cat. Go get the cat. Go get the cat.
You have to call him.
And my uncle over there is gonna cut wood to make the fire for soup.
Hi.
Look at my boy. Yes, that's my uncle over there, the boss, right here. Real country Jamaica life. This is where it basically all begin, you guys. But then you guys will see throughout the days and throughout the next few days leading up to my grandmother's funeral where it all started, where I grew up and where everything all really began. So hopefully you guys enjoy today's vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and spend the rest of the evening with my family and stuff like that. As you guys can see, we reach okay, and baby's also doing well. I talked to him, let him know that we reached safely. So hopefully you guys enjoy today's vlog. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tyler, say tomorrow. Tyler, tell the faves bye. Ty. Look, you and Kaylin say bye, Fizz. You guys, my uncle chopping wood for the fire to make soup. That's how they do it. And that's my auntie's husband right here, my cousin's dad. My uncle making fire outside.
They're not gonna let you catch them to pet them.
Tyler looking at cows. He's finding every animal in my uncle's yard. Travis, that cow they look mean, dress back.